Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I just wanted to show you before I start how this turned out. It is stunning, dried perfectly, flat. Oh, it's not, here we go, there it goes. Look at that. There is gold and copper and black and white. Beautiful lacing and cells. So I thought I'd just show you that. I also wanted to show you the canister sets. Look how beautiful. Gold and copper and white. Turned out beautiful. And here's another one. Here we go. Beautiful cells. Lots of sparkle and shimmer. Here's the last one. There you go. So today I'm going to be working on this record. I've painted it. I've taped up the back and I painted it white with a touch of black just to give it some gray, because the colors I'm working with are a light gray, a silver, that'll give it some nice shine, and just black, so kind of neutral colors. So hopefully this will work out well. All right, here we go. Oh, I forgot to plug up the middle there. Just gonna put a little something so the paint doesn't get in there. Here we go. And last time this fell, so I hope this will be okay this time. Okay, here we go. Ooh, that looks nice together. I like it. That's nice. Have a bit more of this. And I think the black will really make it pop. I think I'll just do a little bit here and here. That's it. Strong color. Okay, and I'm gonna blow it with my hair dryer. Here we go. Oh, here goes the middle. Of course. And just blow it right off. But I lost a lot of the silver. Maybe I'll add a little bit more here. Okay. All right, that looks beautiful. I really like those colors. Neutral. Here, I'm taking you down. Take a closer look. Here you go. Look at that. Some beautiful lacing and cells. I'm gonna go around. Here we go, you can see the silver there. Yeah, look at that. It's beautiful. Some sparkle with the silver. That worked out really well. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.